Sometimes you have multiple families traveling together on a trip. For instance, Olivia has booked this trip to Disney World for Run Disney in January 2027. However, she has other family members that are going to join her for those same dates. So it's very easy to go up here, the three dots on the corner, hit duplicate reservation. Then you can choose if you booked them the same date or if it's today's date that you want to choose. And then here, you're going to need to change the customer. In this case, it's Penny Rescuer that is going with her. I'll put in the new reservation number. Then she does not have a bounce back offer, so I'm going to erase that. I'm going to change the reservation name here. And because that is actually not going to be there, same dates, her reservation cost, that in there, put the total agency commission. They also have 5 days of park hoppers staying at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. You can check here which, I won't be able to choose the travelers until the reservation is saved, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now, I'll be able to mark here that it's Penny going on the trip. But now I want to link these two reservations together. And in order to do that, I'm going to use this little travel with button here, this little paperclip link. Hit the travel with, hit the plus sign. Then I can look for her family member here, Olivia, that's traveling. Any reservations that Olivia has will come up here. Obviously, I'm going to choose the Disney World reservation, and I'm going to hit link. And once I do that, this little star is going to show up here. I'm going to save it, so then every time I come back to this trip, and I see this little star, I can remember that, yes, they are traveling together. Could even be multiple more families traveling together. And if I want to go to this reservation quickly, I can go back and forth here by choosing this arrow. If I do end up needing to unlink it, I can also do that. But this shows how easy it is to get back and forth between the two reservations. And they both are marked with this travel with.